Hit 85 this afternoon. We're going to top that tomorrow. Fox 8 News at noon starts right now. At 6 starts right now.
Feel the stickiness today compared to a week or two ago. It just feels more like summer, Jen.
That's true. It has crept up. Our dew points are in the low and mid 60s, and that's the sticky range. Not quite the uncomfortable range yet, but our temperatures are going to reach that uncomfortable range tomorrow afternoon, where I do expect highs to top 90 degrees. Once again, this will be the 4th time we have done it this year so far. Chance of a shower or two. I'll talk more about that coming up. Find a pool tomorrow or stay in the AC, because it is going to be pretty hot around here now. Yeah, the dew point's a little sticky, so our heat index is going to feel a little bit warmer, but it's not as bad as it could be. I mean, sometimes when you get the dew point levels and when you're 70, that's when your 90 feels like 100 to 105. We're not going to feel like that tomorrow afternoon, but we will top 90 degrees. It'll feel like 93, 94. I don't know if you feel that there's a big difference between 105 and 94, but all right, we're at 83 degrees right now. Cleveland, lakefront, a little bit cooler, 77. We're 85, Akron, Canton, and Lorraine coming in at 82 degrees. So still a very warm evening and a spectacular one at that. I mean, take a look at this. The clouds really stayed away from us. We did have a few high clouds from time to time. That was about it near the lake. Full sunshine, and as you can see, a lot of boaters out there as well. Don't worry. Waves 2 feet or less through the nighttime hours, and then tomorrow, same deal. So if you have any plans to do boating or fishing tomorrow morning, go for it. All weekend long, looking great for our boaters and anglers. Temperature-wise right now, yeah, we're at 83 in Cleveland, but what I want you to notice is this little bubble of warmer air, the darker shades of red here to our west. 89 in Des Moines, 88 in Chicago, 87 in Indianapolis, 93 in Minneapolis. These temperatures are all headed in our direction that, yes, I do think we are going to top 90 degrees tomorrow. Here's what's going on. High pressure in place just to the east of us, bringing in winds out of the south through the night tonight, and then changing out of the southwest tomorrow. So that's what's really going to pump up the heat and get it into our area. This is our next systems. Cold front going to be pushing in late Sunday night into early Monday morning. So I can't rule out a few showers past 7 o'clock western areas at 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. The bulk of the rain, though, will come with the front, and that comes in overnight. In the meantime, take a look at this. Tonight into tomorrow morning, not a lot of cloud cover out there. This is your high-definition satellite. Not seeing cloud cover, so load on the sunblock tomorrow if you are taking advantage of our many beaches or pool day. 67 degrees tonight, mainly clear, pretty uneventful. Winds are calm, so a perfect night to have a bonfire. Perfect evening to have a barbecue. Hopefully you're doing that now and watching us, checking on your grill a little bit at times. 92 is what I'm going for tomorrow. Definitely hot, definitely humid. Storms are possible after 7 o'clock, mainly in our western communities, and you can see that here. The 6 o'clock hour, 9 o'clock over out towards our island, Sandusky, Cedar Point. So if you're headed out that way, keep in mind that you could see the rain as the day ends. Then this shifts to the east and breaks apart a little bit as the front pushes through. 3 o'clock in the morning, 5, 6 early Monday morning, fine, but it should be out by the morning commute, and then we're looking for sunshine through the afternoon. So here's a look at your 8-day forecast. As we clear out on Monday, temperatures still back into the mid and upper 80s, so it's going to be a very warm day. The cooler air, though, will rise with a reinforced cold front. Monday night into early Tuesday, that'll bring us back into the low and mid 70s with a slight chance of a shower or two on Tuesday, but then fantastic sunshine through the middle and end of the week. 4th of July weekend so far, that rain chance on Saturday coming in the evening hours. Sunday looks like a 50% chance pretty much all day long, so we'll have to watch that forecast. 77.
It's still a week away.
Exactly.
Right?
It'll change.
We'll
push it back till Tuesday. How about that? We'll just keep pushing that rain away. Give us another dry weekend.
Sounds good to me.
If you don't like the weather in Cleveland, wait 20 minutes or an hour. It can change.
Right. Always look at 3 days out. That's what I like to say. 3 days out. After that, just look at the trend of it.
Thanks, break.
I have to tell you though, July trending a little bit on the cooler side right now for the forecast models that look way out in advance. So we'll see if that holds true. Scott Stable's been talking a lot about that during the morning hours. So we might want to check out his fan page. He's got a lot to say about the cooling trend here in July. But it was all but cool today, right? We're 85 degrees this afternoon. Our normal high 81, and by the way, on this date back in 1988, Cleveland hit its all-time heat record of 104 degrees. We are nowhere near that, but our temperatures are going to go up as we head into your day tomorrow. That I do expect the fourth 90-degree day of the year so far tomorrow. In fact, I am actually going a little bit warmer than that. 92 is my forecasted high, about 10 degrees above average. Record high at 99. We're going to come nowhere near that, but that was set back in 1952. If you're a fan of the cooler, the comfortable, the pleasant temperatures where you can open up the windows, get the fresh air in and turn off the AC, that's coming our way on Tuesday. Highs back in the 70s, plus a few chances. Tomorrow we'll likely hit our fourth 90-degree day of this year. So it is going to be a hot one. If you have a neighbor that has a pool, you might want to knock on their door tomorrow or stay in the AC because temperatures will be topping 90 degrees. Here's a look at, maybe even head out to the lake because you all know it's cooler right along the lake, right? Lake temperature at 70 degrees, so you get at least some of that cooler water, I guess. Here's the courtesy of Jay Reynolds, a beautiful sunset to wrap up this day, and you see Cedar Point in the background there. Oh, if you're headed to Cedar Point tomorrow, boy, is it going to be a hot one. You want to find one of those lines where they blow that water on you. 85 degrees today. That's what we hit, a little bit above our normal of 81. But it's not as bad as this. That's our all-time record high in Cleveland of 104 degrees set back in 1988. So we're nowhere near that, but our temperatures are warming up above 90 tomorrow. In fact, take a look at this. Very comfortable night tonight, mild night still in the upper 60s for most of us. But look at this, as that sun comes up and as our time goes on here, 9 o'clock, 74, 11 o'clock, already 80 degrees. So we're hitting the 80-degree mark during the morning hours. It is definitely going to be a very warm one. So for tonight, 67. We do have high pressure in our area. I skipped a graphic or two, so I'll show you that coming up. But that high is going to stick with us for at least the next 12 to, I'd say, 20 hours before eventually a cold front starts to move into our region. So we're very uneventful tonight. Mild winds are calm, 67 degrees for our overnight low. Tomorrow, 92. It is definitely going to be a hot and humid one. Now, there is a risk of a shower or thunderstorm after 7, and it's mainly in our western communities. Most of us will see it while we're sleeping, but you can see those numbers just ticking on by. You saw that 90-degree mark, and yes, we are going to hit it. In fact, I said my forecasted high tomorrow, 92 degrees. Now, as we head towards late in the day, that's when we'll see some of the clouds increasing after 7 o'clock, possibility of a rumble of thunder or two, mainly in our western communities, but that front itself will actually move into the greater Cleveland area right around 1, 2 o'clock in the morning, and that's going to be our best shot at seeing some showers and storms. So early morning hours on Monday, showers and thunderstorms should be out by around 9, 10 o'clock Monday morning. Temperatures still in the upper 80s, so it's going to be a warm day, and we'll see sunshine by the afternoon. By Tuesday, though, reinforcing cold front moves in. With that, the chance of rain again, but cooler, more comfortable temperatures and pleasant humidity values too. Overnight lows, great sleeping weather in the mid-50s. Then as we get into the upcoming holiday weekend, yeah, there's a chance of some rain on Saturday late in the day. Sunday, the better threat though. Temperatures hovering right around average, around 80 degrees.
Going to be 7 days ago? 6 days
6
ago?
days ago. Well, let's see. Now, in 20 minutes, you would have been right. It would have been 7 days ago. Yes.
Okay, I just messed up my transition to weather. What's hotter? The weather.
Tomorrow.
Sunday.
Yes.
I don't think anything's hotter than that. I never even get over there
Yeah,
for some
that's
time.
right.
But you're absolutely right. It is going to be a hot one in Cleveland tomorrow, and sizzling, steamer, you name it.
Pick your summer adjectives. Tomorrow we'll have it. Right?
That is what it's going to be. It's going to be a gorgeous summer day if you're a fan of the heat. If you're not a fan of the heat, I have some gorgeous weather for you as well coming up in the 8-day. Here's a shot of our beautiful city as we wrap up our Saturday. It hit 85 degrees this afternoon. 81 is our average high, and we are going to be well above that tomorrow. In fact, I'm expecting our fourth 90-degree day tomorrow. I'm going with 92. That's my forecasted high. 10 degrees above the average, so well above the average. Cooler and comfortable temperatures return, so if you're not a fan of the summer heat, we're going to see that on Tuesday. And a seasonable 4th of July weekend, temperatures right around 80 degrees, but there is the risk of a few showers and thunderstorms. I'll show you when in just a second. But first, since we're talking about temperatures, we're at 74 in Cleveland right now. Boy, what a great night to have a barbecue if you did that, or even a fire. I've seen a lot of pictures posted on Facebook of the beautiful fires going on tonight, sitting there roasting a marshmallow. Look at this though, just lurking to our west, we have 82 degrees in Chicago, 84 in Des Moines. So this plume of warmer air is going to be headed in our direction, that we will likely hit 80 degrees just before noon. So it's going to be a hot one tomorrow. On radar though, we are all dry. Next up to bat, you got to go west of us along a cold front. That front will be moving in tomorrow night. So most of us will be sleeping when the rain moves in. So high pressure holding strong for at least one more day here. We'll see lots of sunshine as you wake up. Then as the afternoon progresses, some high clouds filtering in. You notice after 7, 8 o'clock, that's when we'll likely see a few showers and thunderstorms popping up. So I'll time that out here in just a few seconds for you. For tonight, quiet, comfortable, a nice night. 67 degrees, winds will be calm. If you plan on doing some boating or maybe getting up early to do some fishing tomorrow, not a problem. 5 to 10 knots, waves 2 feet or less for our wave heights. Now 92 degrees tomorrow. It's going to be hot. It's going to be a humid one, and storms are possible after 7 o'clock. So I'm starting the clock here at 6 o'clock tomorrow. That's 6 o'clock tomorrow evening, and you can see these showers and storms starting to pop up in our western communities. So if you are out Cedar Point tomorrow, if you're down towards Mansfield, maybe going shopping at Lodi, just keep in mind you might see a few showers and thunderstorms pop up. The actual front itself won't get in until after midnight, so that's really going to be our best shot of seeing some rain. You see it here, and we'll start off early morning, mainly in our southeastern communities. Should be out of here though by 10 o'clock, and look at this, 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we're already seeing plenty of sunshine. So here's a look at your 8-day forecast. There's that little bit of rain and thunderstorms after a very hot day. It's still going to be hot on Monday. Temperatures in the upper 80s. Another cold front moves in on Tuesday. That's going to bring a shot of rain and cooler temperatures. Low and mid 70s as we hit the middle of the week, and then we're back to right around 80 degrees as we wrap up the week and get in the holiday weekend. So far it looks like a few afternoon thunderstorms on Saturday. It's about a 30% chance. Sunday the best risk of showers and storms, and that looks like it could be all day. So the threat pretty much all day. Monday right now looks dry.
Perfect.
4th of July.
Excellent.